the consumer is becoming younger and is present on every digital platform. I think the only way to intimately connect with the consumer is to be digitally present. I think a large part of the marketing budget has to be allocated to digital marketing. When I say digital marketing, it's very easy to go and buy, a masthead of a YouTube, or to buy a Yahoo homepage or a Google, some sort of AdWord spend. But I think that's something which is very non-intuitive and non-personal. What the consumer is looking today is that you're creating something which is a lot more relevant and a lot more personal to the consumer. So if you look at a brand like Forever 21, the majority of the consumers, or rather all of the consumers, are women in the age group of 16 to 25. They are the ones who have a certain disposable income, are very fast fashion forward. How can a brand like Forever 21 engage in conversation? The only way is, of course, you have the stores in the right locations, but at the same time, you need to be able to give them access to the latest fashion trends on Pinterest, on Woopler, on all those platforms that are relevant to the consumer between the age of 16 to 25. You should also be able to give them your Twitter feed with the latest happenings from around the world in Forever 21. The idea is to be able to live the brand name Forever 21. If you look at a brand like Puma, Puma is all about being sport and being lifestyle at the same time. Whether you talk to the consumer about engaging them into the brand by giving them access to events, giving them access to the latest collection in terms of running, talking about running, engaging them into events which are towards running and towards football, bringing teams and bringing stars like Bolt and Arsenal into the country and getting them access to their fans. I think that is something that is all to do with digital marketing. You can do all that you can on television, but today I know that very few people have the patience to go through an ad. They mostly record their shows and watch them later, or download their shows, especially when you're talking to the new age consumer. So digital marketing, I think, should be at least 60% of your total marketing budget going forward.